Welcome to Topic Wise. Today's topic is refraction of light. Here we recall one property of light, that is rectilinear propagation of light. Light travels along straight lines in a medium or in vacuum. As long as light is traveling in a particular medium or in vacuum, it travels along the straight lines. So, the path of light changes only when there is an object in its path, like opaque object, or where the medium changes. Suppose whenever one opaque object is in the path of the light ray, then reflection takes place. What happens when light travels from one particular transparent medium to another transparent medium? Let me see. Here we have two transparent media, air and water, and as long as light is traveling in the air, it is traveling in a straight line. When it enters into the another transparent medium like water, it bends at the separation of two media at the surface, which is separating two media. This phenomenon is called as the refraction of light. Phenomenon of bending of light at the surface separating two media is known as refraction of light. Here we see bending of light ray when it is traveling from optically denser to rarer or rarer to denser. Here, first example, here light is traveling from air to water. Air is optical velocity of light in air is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. And in water, velocity of light is 2.25 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Here velocity of light is more in the air and less in the water. So, this is optically rarer medium, and here water is optically denser medium because of velocity of light is less comparatively air. So, now light is traveling from optically rarer medium to the denser medium, and this is the separation of two media, and this is the point of incident of light. At this point, draw one normal, then light ray bends towards the normal. So, when light travels from optically rarer to denser, it bends towards the normal. Here we have another example. Now, light is traveling from glass to air. First, it is in the glass and it goes into the air. And velocity of light in glass is 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second, and in air we know that 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Here velocity of light in air is more than that of the glass. So that glass is optically denser than the air. Now light is traveling from optically denser medium to the rarer medium, and this is the point of incidence, and at this point draw one normal, then light goes away from the normal, bends away from the normal. So when light travels from optically denser medium to the rarer medium, optically rarer medium, then light bends away from the normal. Suppose whatever the medium, optically denser or rarer, if light ray strikes the medium normally, then if angle I is equals to 0, then light does not bend. So why light ray bends at the separation of two media? That is causes of refraction. The speed of light is different in different media. When light ray goes from one medium to another, its speed changes. This change causes the refraction of light. So refraction of light takes place because of the change in speed of light. According to the speed of light, media is classified into two types, that is optically denser medium and optically rarer medium, in which speed of light is relatively less is called as the denser medium. In optically denser medium, speed of light is less, and optically rarer medium, in which speed of light is relatively high. In optically rarer medium, speed of light is high. Here is a question on this topic. A ray of light traveling in air enters into water. Does the light ray bend towards the normal or away from the normal? Why? Our answer is light ray traveling in air and entering into water is bent towards the normal because the speed of light ray decreases in water. Thanks for watching.